Okay, so this is our second recording, and with Sebastian, we are going to discuss a little bit um, further the journal assignments based on the first assignment that was already submitted. And in order for students to have a clearer picture about what is required from them in the second journal coming up September 22nd.
So, Professor Sparsa, which are the guidelines?
So the guidelines, as we can see here in this paper that I also included in one of the announcements on Blackboard. First of all, this student had his name, had the date, had the word count 700, and had citations. So the requirements for the guidelines for this journal assignment is to analyze three main concepts from the assigned readings for that particular week. But those concepts have to be analyzed in the context of the larger theory. Again, students need to select, identify three main concepts or keywords or key terms that they find in the assigned reading for that week, and to give context to those three concepts. So let's and the 700 words for the whole journal. So let's see here. The first page, it says crime prevention is one of the hottest topics in contemporary criminology. And then in the middle of the page, the student indicates what are the main concepts or key terms or keywords that she will be analyzing. Broken windows or zero tolerance, human security, and co-production. But as you can see here, the main concepts are within a larger discussion of the theory.
Professor Sparsa, do you have any suggestion related with quotes and citations?
Oh yeah, that's a very good question. So what I saw and we saw in the first journal that was submitted by students is that sometimes students include quotes that are very long. So these quotes need to be shorter, and I want to see more of a critical discussion rather than just citing quotes. And so finally, so we have that is three concepts that need to be included within a larger summary of the theory, and 700 words, and then a citation, and of course the a reflection about the concepts and the theory. So, for example, the student at the end of the journal says, talking about human security, I like to mark down that this definition of threats doesn't have boundaries, etc., etc. So here the student is raising a very interesting critique of the concept and the theory from his or her own perspective. So I hope this is clear. Please go over the sample that is under announcement and listen to this recording, and let us know if you have further questions. And I look forward to reading your second journal due September 22nd.
Bye.
Okay.